Walang isang salita si BBM.
Hi, good morning, Mr. President. What is your position on the plan of the International Criminal Court to investigate former President Rodrigo Duterte over his war on drugs?
My position hasn't changed, and I have stated it often, even before I took office as president, that there are many questions about their jurisdiction. A threat to our sovereignty. So, no, I do not see what their jurisdiction is. I feel that we have in our police and our judiciary a good system. We do not need assistance from any outside entity. The Philippines is a sovereign nation, and we are not colonies anymore of these former imperialists. So that is not something that we consider to be a legitimate judgment.
Tayo yun, ha? Ayaw niya di siya naniniwala sa ICC. Naniwala, sinabi niya, hindi ako naniniwala dyan sa ICC. Ay, pakita mo ngayon. Di ba na? Namimilit na sila ng tao.
You have to kill me to bring me to live. You don't just have to pay. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal... I am a citizen of this country, the former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you ask me...
Is something that has to be observed and respected.
Huwag mo hawakan yung nanay ko!
Tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Katanungan. Ikaw, nandito ka kaya ikaw, tanungin kita, anong kasalanan ko?
Ako na yung anak ko!
Ito,
Hihilahin mo yan. Hihilahin mo yan. Kung maniwala ka, hihilahin mo yan.
yung
You have to kill me to bring me to live. Ang anak ko pupunta dito.
Yes, sir. Hindi pa pasok yan, sir.
Hindi niyo. Ikaw.
Yes, sir.
Hindi mo
Upon the order.
Hindi mo pinapatok.
Yes, sir. Upon the order.
Ang sabi mo, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae.
They can visit you at your detention center.
sa other countries, kung is illegally arrested, hindi yung pwede yun. Hindi po, walang warrant of arrest, walang warrant of arrest, pinilit. Warrant of arrest, dumating late na. So, bawal po yun sa Amerika, ewan ko sa other countries. Pag hinuli mo yung tao na hindi, wala sa proseso, mababala yung kaso. And in other countries, ang mga kababayan nila, mas yanong kaso, like US, kung anong kaso yung American citizen dito, pupunta ang embassy para tulungan. Dito sa ating bansa, pinapadala sa ibang bansa. So, iba ang sinabi ni Presidente, iba naman ang sinabi niya, ngayon, nakontra niya yung sinabi niya na hindi siya naniniwala sa ICC.